Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious granola recipe. Alright guys, so today you're going to need oats, quinoa, sesame seeds, hemp seeds, chia seeds, flax meal or flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. To get started, go ahead and put 3 cups of oats in your bowl, then a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, half a cup of flax meal or a 1/4 cup of flax seeds, 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, half a cup of quinoa, 1/8 cup sesame seeds, half a cup of sunflower seeds, and a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. For this granola recipe, I used what I had in my pantry. You can do the same. Put any nuts, seeds, or grains that you would like in your granola in here. Once you've done that, just mix it thoroughly. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then on your stovetop, melt 1 to 2 sticks of butter and a half a cup to a cup of maple syrup, and bring that to a slow boil. You don't want to burn the butter here. I kept it on a medium-low heat. And just really watch it. Keep a good eye on it. You don't want the butter to brown too much because you're going to get a weird flavor. So just make sure once this does come up to a slow boil like you see right now, you're ready for it. Have your hot pads ready to go ahead and transfer that over into our granola bowl. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put that delicious maple butter in our bowl and mix it thoroughly. We're infusing the flavor here, so make sure every part of this is covered, and then get ready to put it in our pan. Alright, so make sure your pan is covered in aluminum foil just for easy cleanup. And then go ahead and spread the entire granola out on the pan very evenly. Alright, so go ahead and stick this in the oven for 15 minutes, and then we'll take it out and turn it. Alright, so this deliciousness has been in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm going to turn it really well to make sure every side gets browned evenly. Once I do this, I'm going to pop it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. So the second time around, you want to make sure that you keep a close eye on it. The butter will burn easily, so just keep an eye on it and get it as brown as you would like. So the granola's been in the oven for 30 minutes, and as you can see, it's a nice golden brown. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right here because this is as brown as I would like mine to be. If you want yours to be a little bit crispier or toastier, then feel free to add it in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Just make sure you keep a close eye on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it into a serving bowl. Alright, so that's our completed product. Look at how golden and delicious it is. I'm going to use mine today as a topping for some yogurt that I made and drizzle it with a little bit of honey. I made some plain Greek yogurt here. There will be a video in the future on that recipe. So you can add it to your yogurt. You could eat this with just some milk or almond milk as an actual cereal. Eat it as just a regular granola. Just enjoy it any way you would like. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys enjoy this granola video. If you would, please like, subscribe, because I will have new recipe videos every week. Bye!